Scare about the Nipah virus in our country. The health department has issued a health alert in Kozhikode district after 2 unnatural deaths were reported due to fever in Kerala. Now, Nipah suspects these 2 deaths are probably because of the Nipah virus. The 2 deaths were reported in a private hospital in Kozhikode. Relatives of one deceased are also in the intensive care unit currently. A high-level meeting was actually held and chaired by Health Minister Veena George. Health Minister and Director of Health Services are on their way to Kozhikode. Results are expected from the Institute of Virology by this afternoon. So that's the big and scary news coming in from Kerala itself, where we are understanding that 2 unnatural deaths have occurred because of the suspected case of Nipah virus. To give us more details about that, Neetu Raghukumar continues to stay with us on the phone line. Neetu, could you give us more details about these people who actually died and what were the symptoms we are understanding they were suffering from as far as the Nipah virus case is concerned?
Now, so far it has not yet been confirmed whether these are cases of Nipah, but that is a suspect, and only when the samples are tested at the National Institute of Virology, when the results come, we'll be sure about it. But nevertheless, the Health Department has issued alert, and they are going in the lines that this could be Nipah cases. So these are the suspected cases. Now, 2 of these people who died had come with symptoms of fever, and they had more like pneumonia and those associated symptoms than those 2 who died. Now, the family members, at least 3 members of the family of one person who died is also having fever and symptoms, and the condition of one child is the child is being closely monitored. It's in the ICU is what we are understanding. Now, the Health Minister and the Director of Health Services are on their way to Kozhikode. There will be a meeting that will be held in Kozhikode also. All precautions are in place. In 2018 also, the state had a Nipah outbreak which led to about 17 lives being claimed, so this is again in the vicinity within 20 kilometers is what we are understanding. So now efforts are on to find the epicenter, the contact tracing. All this is going on because the first patient who passed away were at hospitals, and what we are understanding is that the second person might have contracted it that way because they were in the hospital in the same area at the same time. The 2 people who died are actually not related to each other, but they could have contracted from when both of them were in the hospital at the same time is what we are understanding at the moment. But all precautionary measures are in place. There is set protocols and procedures that have been put up by the Health Department. There will be another a review meeting at about 11 a.m. is what we are understanding. After that, we'll have more details. As of now, except this one child, we understand the others who are showing symptoms of fever, their condition is not very severe.
Okay. Neetu, thank you so much for breaking that news for our viewers. We'll keep coming back to you to understand what exactly is there in the report that we will receive by the Institute of Virology by this afternoon. Right now, we are shifting focus to another piece of breaking news coming in.